Here's a new powerful fat loss solution that's helping men and women effortlessly drop 1 pound of belly fat every 24 hours. That's not an exaggeration. 45-year-old mom of 3 kids, Susan Attlee. She used this solution to drop 33 pounds in 28 days without doing any additional exercise or dieting. The potent Japanese tonic that burns 1 pound of fat daily. Rena lost 38 pounds in 5 weeks without exercising at all due to her whiplash from a car accident. Taylor had high blood pressure and was getting pains in her knees. She lost 31 pounds in a month and a half and couldn't be happier. This might sound crazy, but they all reported being able to see and feel their fat melt off their belly within the first 24 hours. And the best part is, as long as you drink this Japanese mix every morning, you'll also experience these incredible results too. The most potent fat cell destroying tonic on the planet. You have to take it before 10 a.m. every day. By doing so, your body will activate a powerful fat-burning hormone called adiponectin, which when released, forces fat cells to melt rapidly while releasing harmful toxins from your gut, and shrinking your belly in less than 24 hours. People are losing more than 30 pounds of fat in a month without changing their diet and workout routine. They're simply drinking these herbs before 10 a.m.